Describe your country. I am from Vietnam, a country in Southeast Asia. Vietnam is famous for its beautiful landscapes like mountains, beaches, and rivers. The capital city is Hanoi, and the largest city is Ho Chi Minh City. We have a long history, and our culture is rich with traditional festivals and delicious food, like pho and banh mi. I am proud of my country because it has many things to offer.
Where are you from?
I am from Vietnam.
Are you from Vietnam?
Yes, I am from Vietnam.
Is Vietnam your country?
Yes, Vietnam is my country.
Am I from Vietnam?
No, you are not.
Are you from Thailand?
No, I am from Vietnam.
Who is from Vietnam?
I am from Vietnam.
Do you live in Vietnam?
Yes, I live there.
What is Vietnam?
Vietnam is a country.
Is Vietnam in Southeast Asia?
Yes, it is in Southeast Asia.
Is Vietnam a city?
No, it is a country.
Where is Vietnam located?
It is in Southeast Asia.
Is Vietnam in Africa?
No, it is not in Africa.
Am I in Southeast Asia?
Yes, you are in Southeast Asia.
Are you from Southeast Asia?
Yes, I am from Southeast Asia.
What is Vietnam famous for?
For its beautiful landscapes.
Is Vietnam famous for mountains?
Yes, and other landscapes too.
Are the landscapes in Vietnam beautiful?
Yes, they are very beautiful.
Is Vietnam famous for food only?
No, also for landscapes.
Am I proud of Vietnam's landscapes?
Yes, you are proud.
Is Vietnam a famous country?
Yes, it is quite famous.
Do you like the landscapes in Vietnam?
Yes, I like them a lot.
What is the capital city of Vietnam?
The capital is Hanoi.
Is Ho Chi Minh City the capital?
No, Hanoi is the capital.
Is Hanoi the capital city?
Yes, Hanoi is the capital.
Where is the capital of Vietnam?
The capital is in Hanoi.
Is Hanoi a large city?
Yes, it is quite large.
Am I from the capital city?
Maybe if you are from Hanoi.
Do you live in Hanoi?
No, I live elsewhere.
What is the largest city in Vietnam?
Ho Chi Minh is?
Is Hanoi the largest city?
No, it is not.
Is Ho Chi Minh big?
Yes, it is very big.
Do you know the largest city?
Yes, I know it.
Is Ho Chi Minh famous?
Yes, it is very famous.
Am I from the largest city?
Maybe if you live there.
Are you from Ho Chi Minh City?
No, I am not.
What is rich in Vietnam?
Our culture is rich.
Is Vietnamese culture rich?
Yes, it is very rich.
What kind of festivals does Vietnam have?
Traditional festivals like Tet.
Do you have traditional food?
Yes, we have delicious food.
Is pho a Vietnamese food?
Yes, pho is a Vietnamese food.
Am I interested in Vietnamese culture?
Yes, you are very interested.
Are you proud of your culture?
Yes, I am very proud.
Am I proud of your country?
Yes, I am very proud.
Why are you proud of Vietnam?
It has many things to offer.
Is Vietnam full of beauty and culture?
Yes, it has both.
Am I proud of Vietnam too?
Yes, maybe you are.
Does your country offer many things?
Yes, it offers many things.
Do you love your country?
Yes, I love it deeply.
What do you think about Vietnam?
I think it is great.